Good morning, friends. Let us discuss functional areas of management. What do we mean by functional areas of management? So, at different stages, management performs different functions at different levels for different reasons. These may be called as departments through which management functions on different issues. So, the first and foremost important is finance and accounting. Finance is very important right from the installation phase of any organization. All business related activities like production, marketing, personnel require continuous flow of funds. The funds are of two kinds. First one is fixed cost or fixed funds, and another one is routine or regular working capital. So, for this one, financial and accounting deals with rational investment of financial resources and record keeping of various transactions. One must be very clear in idea of finance and accounting. From these COVID situations, many organizations, small, medium, or large scale, are struggling for their day-to-day finances because market situation hampers a lot. So here management have to take very tricky decisions. Finance can be raised through institutions, through banks, through finance institutions like investment or like loans. The another one is initial public offering, that is from public funds, or like partnership firm from friends and relatives. So many types of finance can be raised: individual finance, lending and borrowing, loans, banking institutions, or mortgage, or the public funds, that means share market. The company is go to share market, invest, propose initial public offering, and then collect funds from public. So, finance and accounting is the main area of management. There is no doubt that finance is heart of every organization, though it's small scale, medium, or large scale. Without finance and finance management, no institution can survive. Not only survival, but the finance have many aspects like managing accounts, financial accounting, costing, investment management, as well as taxation. All these issues are very important because non-paying a tax is also a very high offense on the part of management or organization. Another one is production. Day-to-day policies, routine, then procurement and all other things are depend on production. Main cost is incurred in production only, and due to production there are revenues for organization. So production is another main functional area of an organization. This production management may be further divided into purchasing, material management, R&D, and other small areas which may called as different departments. So these are very important aspects of management. Production, right from design, or before that, order from customer or order from market, direct market may be there. Management has to take idea that how much order quantity we have to manufacture in production department, and according to that, right from R&D, purchase, procurement, and all other departments has to be developed. These are all policy decision and in the hands of management. So every level of management involves in production: top level, middle level, as well as bottom level, lower level management is involved in production of parts which management is going to produce. Third and very important is marketing. Actually, in an organization, everybody struggle and everybody quarrel which department is heart of the industry. But really speaking, each and every department is important as far as organization is concerned, because this is a teamwork. If production is there but no marketing is there, then industry will collapse. If only marketing is there and product have no quality, then also there is no any importance for that organization. If production is there, marketing is there, but no finance is there, then organization cannot survive. So it is a teamwork. Marketing involves again many aspects, right from feedback from customer to quality of product as well as cost of the product. Marketing involves marketing research, advertisement and sales management as important sub departments. Next one is human resource, that means personnel department. Earlier it was called personnel department, now it is called human resource department. That means 4 M's are necessary: machine, material, money, and fourth is man, that is human being, not only man. That means it is not gender bias, it is human. That means human being is necessary for work in an organization. Company like Infosys have shown their staff in asset book. So this is a good example how human being is essential or important part of an organization. It includes human resource planning or manpower planning, that means taking an interview, recruiting peoples, recruitment and selection, training them for that particular product, that is training and development, wage and salary administration, taking into account different laws regarding wages, different rules and regulation, changing rules by government. One organization has to manage wages and administration department also, and the last but not the least, industrial relations. These all includes in personal human resource management. So these are 4 main functional areas of management.